So today we're in the beautiful gated community of Crescent Hills, southeast Lakeland, right over off of Highway 548 and Carter Road. Behind me, we're gonna see this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, screened pool home, over 4,200 square feet of living area, single story, and this is located on a dead-end street, so it's really pretty. Let's go take a look at it. I can't wait to show you more details about this home. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna take a detailed walkthrough of this home just to give you a good idea of the layout. Now again, this is on a dead-end street located in gated Crescent Hills community. Christina has got different gated communities as you come in the main entrance, and this is the first one on the right, and it has larger lots and nice size homes. So let's walk in and take a look at this home. I really can't wait to show it to you. This one has got some of the coolest features you're ever going to see. All right, so let's take a look. Come in here first. You can see this dining area. It's got triple crown ceilings, which is beautiful, and there's crown molding throughout this home. Beautiful shutters. Take a look at this elegant but yet modern lighting. And coming in here, you can see the wall, which is one of the original walls, which is really tastefully done. I'm gonna walk you right into the main area. So those are custom built shelves. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see. They're not only custom built, all this natural lighting in here, which is just gorgeous. The carpentry, the trim work on this home is fantastic. It's a gas fireplace. And then there's French doors come in, and there's many different ways you can access this pool area, which is really nice. Gorgeous screened pool area. Take a look at this kitchen. So tastefully done. Huge island, plenty of room for bar stools here. And then you can see I love how they took a lot of the quartz and kind of ran it up this way too. Nice, modern, slick, clean look. Stainless steel appliances. Does have a double oven and a warmer, and microwave, dishwasher, of course. And then it's really nice because you can overlook the kitchen nook area. And so this is one of the sitting areas, and then over off here, we're going to call this really a bonus room, a separate family room, separate entertainment room, whatever you want to call it. And it is huge. It's got, again, French doors coming to the screened pool area, shutters, crown molding. Now this, I want you to see this right here, you guys. This is like butcher block, and you can see this. This was, again, all custom made when they moved into the home. So cabinets, shelving. Got a nice rug in here to kind of blend it all. Now this also has slide doors, so pocket doors. So if you want to close this to make this more private, you can do that. So from here, I am going to take you outside, and then we're going to go see the bedrooms. So it's getting a little bit dark here, so I wanted to shoot this before, but take a look at this chef lovers area to hang out. You talk about the ultimate grilling experience. This is it. It's got the leather-wrapped countertops. This is really nice and high-end. Separate sink there. The grill, plenty of storage, and just take a look at the beautiful screened pool. It does have a fenced backyard. This home does have a whole house generator, and it's really nice. There's, that's how you would access the backyard, and it's nice and private here. The landscaping is plush, and then you've got, there's a storage door over there to store pool equipment, outdoor sitting area, freshly painted deck here. Beautiful December day here in 2024. Not sure when you're watching this, So let's go back here. 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath. We're probably gonna see our awesome videographer, Michael here, who's awesome. He's the one who, wait till you watch his video. Now you talk about a nice video. This is more the detailed look, but we've got some really nice professional videos on this home too. Love to share with you. Now this carpet really pops. Super modern, yet neutral enough to, it just blends so nicely. These are custom built shelving, French doors, shutters heading out to the pool, but these are really nice, well-built shelves. Gorgeous, really nice. And they are solid. And you can see the nice size master bedroom here, huge. Love the natural lighting right above the bed itself. There is surround sound speakers. Now this home has 2 large walk-in closets. There's one here. We've got a little bit of storage in there, so I'm not gonna really open that. There's one in the back, which I'll give you a sneak preview. But take a look at this master bathroom. It is contemporary. And look at the framed mirror. Again, thick crown molding. Just love the light fixtures they picked out. And this is really tastefully done. It's got a shower here with the door and the glass block up here for privacy. There's actually a storage room straight here. That's actually just blank storage. Of course, your toilet room area is here. And then this is the other walk-in closet. Now, the other one also has built-in dressers, which is really nice. Shoe area. You can see plenty of built-ins, plenty of room here. Love having the window in the closet because if you don't want to turn the light on, you've got some natural light there too. So let's head into the other part of the home. Now this is one of the full bathrooms, pool bath, leather wrapped counter, frame mirror. This has a shower. Of course that goes into your pool area. So it's a nice size shower. Again, this was redone. And then this is bedroom number 4. Closet around the side, which you could, if you wanted to, use it as an office, but there is a nice size closet here for just really one of the bedrooms. It's separate enough to where it's got some privacy to it. Now, when we head back to the back of the house, which I'm going to show you that next. Here's the half bath. There's a motion sensor light here, so I'm gonna try it. There we go. Show you this. Again, just very, very well, elegantly done with all the fixtures. So there's a half bath in your guest bath with a pocket door. And then this is really nice. You have a bedroom with an ensuite here and a bedroom with an ensuite here. Both of them have that, which is very rare. So part of the nice design of this home. Walk-in closet. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but it is a nice size bedroom. Again, you've got your walk-in, huge closet there. And this bathroom has a tub shower combination on this one. And then again, this has been redone. So there's really no work to do with this. It is move-in ready. It is immaculate. Let's go take a look at the other ensuite. Plenty of storage closets in here, by the way, and take a look at this bedroom. Really nice size. Now in this case, this has 2 closets. They do connect. So 2 nice sized closets. And then this bathroom, again, really redone nicely. You can see the lighting, and then I love the subway tile here with the flooring too. So that's really nice. And then the inlet for your shampoo, if you will. Really nice to have a linen closet right here inside the bathroom. Grab that towel, get out of the shower. You don't have to go down the hallway. It is right there in the bathroom. can see all the beautiful flooring, carpeting, and this home is just absolutely beautiful. So if you like more details about this home, feel free to reach out to me. Would love to show you this home and give you more details about it. Very well kept, wonderful neighborhood, and I just hope you've enjoyed this tour. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Have a great day.